Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the LinkedIn application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in LinkedIn and start your search. Once you find the application, tap on it and you will see the install button. If you see enable, this means that LinkedIn comes pre-installed with your application and you simply need to tap on enable to enable the app and start using it. Tap on the enable or install button, and if you tap on install, this will begin the download and installation of the LinkedIn application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the LinkedIn application. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with logging into your account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using LinkedIn right from your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the LinkedIn application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.